Alright, this is going to be a lightning quick video on how to write the equation of a line when given a graph. There's going to be two examples here. The first one's on the screen right now. We are going to be writing equations in what we call, of course, the slope intercept form. If you're required to write it in a different form, say standard form, you can just do some transforming, but our goal for all of this is to simply find the slope, find the y-intercept, and put it in that format. M, as you know, is the slope. That's the rise over run. B is the y-intercept. That's where the graph crosses the y-axis. Alright, so when we talk about slope, we talk about the steepness of the line. Is it going, downhill? This one, as you can see, if you were to stand here, this one's going downhill. So that means our slope is negative. Our slope given by the letter M is negative. And our y-intercept is really simple to see. It's right here. So we can probably just extract that right now. It's -1. And the slope is something that we can just kind of pick out from our graph. Right? When we talk about slope, we always hear the phrase, it's rise over run. Right? This is the change in the up and down direction divided by the change in the x direction. More formally, it is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. But in this case, let's just kind of pick 2 points. Here's one right here. Try to pick points that are nice and easy to see, and of course here's one right here. And let's see if we can just go from this point to this point, but let's not go straight, let's go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So down 4, and then right 1, 2, 3. Down 4 is negative, right 4 is positive. So there's my slope. Bring it all together in this y equals mx plus b format, and we're done. Notice I'm saying plus b, but of course the b is negative, so we're going to have a minus b. So there you go. If you wanted to pick 2 other points, you could have chosen this point right here, down 1, 2, 3, 4, right 1, 2, 3. If you want to change the way that you actually counted, you can go up 1, 2, 3, 4, up 4, and left 1, 2, 3. Left 3. So it's +4 over -3. And guess what? Those are exactly the same. Alright, number 2. Let's try to get this video done in 5 minutes. M equals B equals. B is where the graph crosses the x-axis, or the y-axis, pardon me. It's +2. And for our slope, let's just pick out 2 points. Let's pick out that y-intercept, and another one looks like it's right here. So we're going to rise 1, 2, 3. So up 3 and right 1. Up 3 is positive, right 1 is positive. So our slope is simply just 3. Y equals mx plus b, and we're finished. Again, if you wanted to use maybe this point, you certainly could have, or this point you certainly could have. Down 1, 2, 3, down 3, and left 1. Watch this. This is interesting. Down 3 is negative, left 1 is negative. So it's -3 over -1, which is +3 over +1, which is the same thing as it was up here. So it doesn't really matter how you count, as long as you put the change in the y direction in the numerator and the change in the x direction in the denominator. So there you go, y equals 3x plus 2. And that's it. My next one, I'm going to be going through how to write the equation of a line when given a slope and a y-intercept, a slope and a point, 2 points, a point in a line parallel, and a point in a line perpendicular. I made it under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.